Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
CBAP Business Analysis Professional. Lecture 13, Business Process Management Perspective. Business Process Management, BPM, plays a crucial role in the context of the Certified Business Analysis Professional, CBAP, certification, as it provides a structured approach to analyzing and improving business processes within an organization. From a CBAP perspective, BPM focuses on understanding, documenting, analyzing, and optimizing business processes to achieve specific business objectives and meet stakeholder needs. How BPM fits into the CBAP framework. 1. Understanding business processes. CBAP professionals start by understanding the existing business processes within an organization. This involves identifying the sequence of activities, inputs, outputs, roles, and responsibilities involved in performing a particular business function. 2. Documenting business processes. Once the business processes are understood, CBAP practitioners document them using various techniques such as process maps, flowcharts, and process narratives. This documentation serves as a reference for stakeholders to understand how the business operates and where improvements can be made. 3. Analyzing business processes. With the documented processes in hand, CBAP professionals analyze them to identify inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and areas for improvement. This analysis may involve measuring process performance metrics, conducting root cause analysis, and gathering feedback from stakeholders. 4. Optimizing business processes. Based on the analysis, CBAP practitioners work with stakeholders to redesign and optimize business processes to achieve better outcomes. This may involve streamlining processes, eliminating non-value-added activities, automating tasks, or reorganizing workflows. 5. Implementing process improvements. Once optimized processes are defined, CBAP professionals collaborate with stakeholders to implement the proposed changes. This may involve updating policies and procedures, training staff on new processes, and deploying technology solutions to support process automation. 6. Monitoring and continuous improvement. CBAP practitioners continuously monitor the performance of optimized processes to ensure they are meeting business objectives. They gather feedback from stakeholders, track key performance indicators, and make further adjustments as needed to drive continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.